Hi guys, so I'm not feeling well, as you can probably tell from my voice. Apologize about that, but I figured I needed to do my review on this item I ordered. I think it's Mochi squishy toys. They're these little squishy things that are supposed to help with anxiety. My kids are in love with the fidget spinners. But I get tired of stuffing on them and all the time, and they break easy sometimes. So I saw these and thought that I would try them out. As you can see, they're cute. There's that one. As you can see, I got a couple that are pretty much the same, and I actually didn't get some of the ones that it stated in the description. That one's a seal, I think. I got like 4 cats and didn't get some of the other ones. But as you can see, they're super squishy and soft. And see, you can pull them. And they're not falling apart. Oops, sorry about that. So, like I said, they're very squishy. I'd say they're pretty durable, but I'd have to have them longer to actually know that for sure. But they seem like they are. The only criticism I have is that online they don't have size specs, so you really don't know what size they are, and they actually look bigger online. Let's try it. There's the battery. They're actually about the size of a AAA battery. So make sure you keep that in mind. Like, I had got these for my 3-year-old, and it says ages 3 and up, so I mean she should be fine, but at the same time I kind of wonder about her choking on them since they're kind of little. But again, they are super cute, squishy, and fun to play with. So apologize again for my voice. I hope y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.